Hello guys, how's it going your Italian? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, today we're gonna have a pretty straightforward, hopefully, exercise on verbs. So we just need to conjugate the verb that you see in parentheses. At this point, you should be able to understand everything. So let's go ahead and complete the exercise. Tu mangi la pizza, lui compra il libro, noi leggiamo il giornale, voi aprite la finestra, loro chiudono la porta, voi dormite fino alle 10. Now, this fino a plus article, but fino a in general would be until. Lei parte alle 8, at 8. Voi arrivate in treno, that is in plus method of transport. Io studio l'italiano, noi puliamo il tavolo. This one, pulire, is the trickiest verb that you have here, but here it's a noi, so you don't have issues. But guys, remember that pulire, it's an isk verb, so it's going to be io pulisco, tu pulisci, lui lei pulisce, but then noi voi goes back to being regular, so noi puliamo, voi pulite, and then again loro would be irregular, and so that would become loro puliscono. Alright guys, let's move on and go to the next exercise on verbs. Next exercise, slightly more difficult this time around. We are going to talk about verbs that are irregular. So you do need to know the conjugations of these verbs now to complete this exercise. So we have io vado a Venezia, voi rimanete a casa, noi stiamo a letto, loro bevono una Coca-Cola, tu dici quello che pensi, you say what you think. Lui fa il meccanico, io spengo la luce. Voi uscite tutte le sere, loro vengono con me, and last one, voi finite il lavoro.